In April 2018, IHG launched two new versions of its credit card, the IHG Rewards Club Premier Card and the IHG Rewards Club Traveler Card. There's also an old version of the IHG card. Let's talk about these three cards and how you can maximize your spend at IHG. It's important to note that the third of these cards, the IHG Rewards Club Select Credit Card, is no longer available for new applicants. But if you hold this card, there's no reason to get rid of it. It's one of the best cards out there. And good news, you can hold the IHG Select Card and sign up for one of the new cards. In this video, I'm going to primarily focus on the IHG Rewards Club Premier Card, and then we'll talk about the Traveler Card at the end. The new IHG Premier Card gives you a whopping 10 points per dollar spent at IHG properties. This is double the earnings that you can get on the IHG Select Card or the IHG Traveler Card, which both earn 5 points per dollar spent. On both the Premier and the Traveler cards, you'll earn 2 points per dollar spent at grocery stores, gas stations, and restaurants. You'll earn 1 point per dollar spent everywhere else. Finally, you'll also earn a bonus of 10,000 points if you spend $20,000 on your IHG Premier card in your card member year. So this doesn't make this card a great everyday spend card. Instead, I think of it as a specialty card. Another great perk of the IHG Premier card is Elite status. You'll automatically earn IHG Platinum Elite status just for holding this card. This status usually takes 40 nights at an IHG property to earn and gets you valuable benefits such as upgrades, bonus points, late checkout, and early check-in. This is a great perk for a card that just charges an $89 annual fee. The IHG Premier card also gets you a free annual night every year starting with your first anniversary. This annual free night is only valid at properties that charge 40,000 points or less for an award night. This free night is only valid for 12 months. However, you don't have to stay within those 12 months, you just have to book for a future stay within those 12 months. Between the Elite status and the free annual night, this card is worth holding by even infrequent IHG travelers, but there's even more benefits to cover. For IHG Premier card holders, when you redeem points for award stays, you get each fortnight free. Each fortnight will price out at 0 points when you book these online. Even better, there's no cap on this fortnight free benefit. For Premier and Traveler card holders, you can get 20% off the standard rate for buy points. However, this can't be stacked with other promotions like the 100% buy points promotion. Finally, the IHG Premier card comes with up to $100 credit for the TSA PreCheck or global entry every 4 years. If you still hold the IHG Rewards Club Select card, you'll still get a 10% rebate on all redemptions. This is great to stack with the IHG Premier card benefits like the fortnight free. If the $89 annual fee seems a little steep for the IHG Premier card, there's also a $29 annual fee IHG Rewards Club Traveler card. However, this card doesn't come with two of the most valuable benefits of the IHG Premier card, the Elite status and the free annual night. As you can see, the IHG card portfolio can be very valuable even if you don't stay at IHG often. Check out our comparison guide below for more details on these three cards.